हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में स्पोर फार्मासिस्ट के प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर को देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए सिस्टमिक रूट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? ऑप्शंस है टॉपिकल, इंट्रामस्कुलर, इंट्रावेनस एंड सबक्यूटेनियस। Systemic route means the drug goes into the bloodstream and acts throughout the body, and topical means the drug is applied to a specific area like skin, eyes, and you. Correct answer is option A, topical. And intramuscular injected into muscles, enter bloodstream, intravenous injected directly into veins, 100% systemic, and subcutaneous injected under the skin, slowly enter bloodstream. Next question. Question number second, nitroglycerin tablets should be dispersed in which type of container? Options are plastic, metal, unit dose container, and glass container. The correct answer is option D. Nitroglycerin is sensitive to air, light, and moisture. It loses effectiveness in plastic. Glass container protect it. Next question. Viability when the drug is given by intravenous route. जब दवा इंट्रावेनस रूट से दी जाती है तो उसकी वायबिलिटी कितनी होती है? ऑप्शन है 100%, 50%, 65%, 75%। सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए, 100%। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 4. The agent which is used to disintegrate the tablet. टेबलेट को तोड़ने के लिए कौन सा एजेंट यूज किया जाता है? ऑप्शन है लुब्रिकेंट, ग्लाइडेंट, बीसवैक्स और डिसइंटीग्रेटिंग एजेंट। सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, disintegrating agent helps tablet break into smaller piece in stomach. Example starch. Next question. Question number 5th. RCI Research Center Imarat is a premier laboratory of DRDO. Is situated at options Hyderabad, New Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. DRDO की प्रमुख जो प्रयोगशाला है RCI रिसर्च सेंटर इमारत जो है वो कहाँ पर है? तो ऑप्शंस जो आपके हैदराबाद, न्यू दिल्ली, मुंबई, चेन्नई। तो ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, हैदराबाद। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Dusting powder are sterilized by options dry heat sterilization, radiation, moist heat sterilization, and heating with a bactericide. Correct answer is option A, dry heat sterilizations. Next question. Bony bone structure of human body is options are skeleton, reproductive, muscular, and vascular. Correct answer is option A, skeleton. Next question. Question number 8. Family of Carcoma. Carcoma means turmeric. Options A, Leguminosae, Solanaceae, Apocynaceae, and Gingiveraceae. So correct answer is option D, Gingiveraceae. Family of ginger and turmeric is Gingiveraceae. And Leguminosae, family of pulses like grams and beans. And Solanaceae, family of plant like tomato. And Apocynaceae, family of plant like vinca. Next question. Entering coated tablet are meant for disintegrating. Option A, stomach, small intestine, mouth, and none of the above. Correct answer is option B, small intestine. Entering coated protect the tablet from stomach acid and dissolve in the intestine. Example is omeprazole tablet. Next question. Question number 10. Nephrolithiasis is term employed for option A, kidney stone, option B, heart failure, option C, liver failure, option D, CHF. Correct answer is option A, kidney stone. Nephro means kidney and lith means stone. Hence, nephrolithiasis means kidney stone. Next question. Chewable tablet are prepared by option A, wet granulation, option B, lyophilization, option C, dry granulation, option D, lamination. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Question number 12. Carl Fisher titration is commonly used for the determination of option A, protein, option B, moisture, option C, nitrogen, and option D, oxygen. Protein determined by the Bureau test. So correct answer is option B, moisture. Carl Fisher titration is precise method used to measure water content in a substance. Next question. Which of the following is the largest size of gelatin capsules? Option A 0, double 0, triple 0 and 5. Correct answer is option C. Largest size of the capsule is triple 0 and smallest size which is the 5. Next question. Which of the following has a cumulative action? Option A peppermint, flavonoid and quinine and none. Correct answer is option A. Peppermint. Cremative relieve gas and bloating in the stomach. Peppermint is a natural cremative used in the digestive serum. Next question. Biological and special products are comes under schedule of a drug and cosmetic act. Options A schedule R, schedule P, schedule C and C1 and schedule S. Correct answer is option C. Schedule C and C1 covers biological product like vaccine, toxin, sera and insulin. Next question. Zinc oxide powder sterilized by option A autoclave, option B hot air on, option C radiation, option D filtration. Correct answer is option B hot air on. Question number 17. How many pharmacists are required for 15-bed hospital? Option A 4, option B 5, 2, 3. Up to 15 beds, 3 pharmacists are required. And 100 beds, 5 pharmacists. 200 bed, 8 pharmacists. 300 bed, 10 pharmacists. And 500 bed, 15 pharmacists. Next question. Yellow fever is a option A viral disease, option B non-communicable disease, and option C bacterial disease, and option D hereditary disease. Correct answer is option A viral disease. Yellow fever is caused by the virus spread by mosquito bites. Next question. Human tissue is sterilized by which method? Option A autoclaving, gamma radiation, and dry heat sterilization, and heating with bactericide. Correct answer is option B gamma radiation. Next question. Increased heart rate is termed as option A tachycardia, option B hypothermia, option C bradycardia, and option D hypotension. Correct answer is option A tachycardia. Tachycardia is defined as a heart rate above 100 beats per minute, and hypothermia low body temperature, bradycardia slow heart rate, and hypotension low blood pressure. Next question. Question number 21. Schedule G drug label must contain the text options A warning, Prosans, NRX and X. Correct answer is option B. Schedule G drugs are those which should be taken only under medical supervision. The label must carry the statement causes it dangerous to take these preparations except under medical supervision. And NRX used in narcotic drug and psychotropic substance. Next question. Question number 22. Pharmacy Act 1948 comes into force for regulation of option A, an act to regulate the profession of pharmacy, option B, to regulate the import, production, distribution, sales of medical device, and option C, to regulate the import, production, distribution, sales of drug and cosmetic in India, and option D, to regulate UG courses. Correct answer is option A, an act to regulate the profession of pharmacy. Next question. Which of the following is a non-parental type of glass? Type 1, type 3rd, type 2nd and type 4th. Correct answer is option D, type 4 glass. Next question. Gases exchange and transport between lungs and blood is carried out through option A erythrocytes, option B neutrophils, option C lymphocytes, and option D basophils. Correct answer is option A erythrocytes. Erythrocytes carry oxygen from lungs to tissue and carbon dioxide from tissue to lungs using hemoglobin. Next question. Which of the following causes the organism of tuberculosis? Options A Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium avium, and Mycobacterium semigametis. सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका ऑप्शन ए Mycobacterium bovis and Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy. Which of the following is non-essential amino acids? Options are lysines, methionines, cysteines, and valine. Correct answer is option C, cysteine. Next question. Aspirin is degraded by options A hydrolysis, option B acetylation, option C ionization, and option D conjugation. Correct answer is option A hydrolysis. Aspirin breakdown in the presence of the moisture into salicylic acid and acetic acid. Next question. Question number 28. Proprietary medicines is also known as option A patent drug, option B non-proprietary drug, and option D generic drug, option D branded drug. Correct answer is option A patent drug. Next question. Which of the following is not an OTC drug? Option A aspirin, option B paracetamol, option C ciprofloxacin, option D vitamin. Correct answer is option C ciprofloxacin. Next question. Hospital pharmacy should be situated at which floor of the hospital? Option A first floor, option B second floor, option C ground floor, and option D outside the hospital. Correct answer is option C ground floor. Next question. A book to provide standard of strength and purity of therapeutic drug is. Correct answer is option A pharmacopoeia. A pharmacopoeia is an official publication containing a list of medicinal drugs, their effect, direction, uses, and standard of strength, purity, and formulations. Next question. Which of the following carry the oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? Option A pulmonary vein, option B aorta, option C pulmonary artery, and option D superior vena cava. Correct answer is option A pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart, and aorta carries blood from heart to body, not lungs to heart, and pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs, and superior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from upper body to the heart. Next question. Which one of the following vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in the intestine? Options A vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E. Correct answer is option A. Vitamin K is. Question number 34. Initial method of inventory is options A ABC analysis, GMP, GLP, and none. Correct answer is option A ABC analysis. ABC analysis help categorize inventory into A high value, B moderate, and C low value for effective stock management. And GMP means good manufacturing practice, GLP means good laboratory practice. Next question. Presence of pus in urine indicate the disease of option A pyuria, option B PKD, and option C BPH, and option D none. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Which type of route of drug administration is preferred in emergency? Option A intravenous route, option B subcutaneous, option C intramuscular, and option D oral. Correct answer is option A intravenous route. IV route deliver the drug directly into the bloodstream for immediate action, ideal in emergency. Next question. Latin term pulvis means options powder, ointment, drop, and mouthwash. Correct answer is option A powder. And drop Latin term is gutta. And mouthwash Clotorium. Next question. Which of the following is a parenteral anticoagulant? Options heparin, phenidone, warfarin, and thalidomide. Correct answer is option A heparin. Which of the following loop diuretic used as antihypertensives? Correct answer is option A furosemide. Furosemide is a potent loop diuretic used to manage hypertension and edema, and amiloride is a potassium spring diuretic. Like diuretics, and spironolactone is a aldosterone antagonist. Next question. Question number 14. Ergometrin is a option A alkaloid, glycoside, tannin, and carbohydrate. Correct answer is option A alkaloid. Next question. Root word of the prescription is option A to write before, option B to advise patient, option C to write about patient symptoms, and option D to give order. Correct answer is option A to write before.